Good morning, y'all. It's November 10th, Monday. Now my birthday is in 8 days. So we just started off on a rough patch today. This Monday, I actually took off work to get my nails done. The lady canceled on me. Now I'm just irritated as hell because I have to have somebody else do my nails and hope that they're going to do them nice, because no, they've never touched my nails before. They've done my sister's nails before, so I'm not like in the worst mood. I got my toes done on Saturday. I'll insert the clips right now of me getting my toes done.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see.
Yeah, got that maintenance out the way, which I feel so great about that. I don't have to get that done throughout the week. Getting my nails and stuff done today. Wednesday, I don't think I have anything to do. Thursday, I have my first hair appointment. Then Friday, I have my second hair appointment. Saturday, I just have a whole bunch of like runs to make. Not even a whole bunch. I want to go to Rosemont to see if they got some more sunglasses. That's the only thing that I'm like missing. Then Sunday, we leave. I don't think I just gave y'all the rundown really well because, like I said, I'm just a little bit flustered, a little bit discombobulated. When stuff just don't go according to plan, it actually throws me off.
That nigga, if it ain't me, if it ain't a party, then it's gonna be. Never had a problem that I couldn't solve. It must be official if I get involved.
Hey y'all, so just a quick update. I feel a lot better. I'm on the way to my wax appointment now, actually, because I ended up getting my nails done before my wax just based off convenience. This is my nails. I showed y'all the clips or whatever. My girl, she did them too good. Even though it was last minute, I asked her to do them last minute. She did them way too good. I'm gonna keep going to her because I just love when somebody do a good job. After you do a good job one time, baby, you got me forever. I'm in a better mood now that I got my nails done and that's over with. I'm on the way to get my wax and my eyebrows threaded and my chin threaded too. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to that service.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Universe, you and you know they picking. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, hair. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. Bitches is washed, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for a tour room shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, bang clean, diamonds so I see my eyes. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that whole enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that whole enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. It's Tuesday, November 11th. I'm in a much greater mood than what I was in yesterday. So far, the maintenance that is complete is my wax, my eyebrows, my chin, my nails, and my toes. So that just leaves my lashes and my hair. The last clip was me just packing because I always pre-pack all of my stuff. I've been buying stuff for this trip since September. I've been able to like pack my stuff continuously, so I'm not stressed out. But then I realized while doing that, I also have been unable to show y'all the stuff that I've been buying. But I've been doing 18 days of gifts on TikTok, so like everything that I bought myself as a gift or like for vacation and stuff, I have put it on TikTok. So if y'all want to see all the stuff that I bought, my TikTok is on the screen for y'all to check that out. But I really didn't want to leave y'all hanging. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a few things that I did buy. Let's just jump into this little haul of the stuff that I got. Rebel did have a little sale, and if you're not familiar, Rebel is like a fragrance company. All the scents that we buy at the store, they have them online for way cheaper. So I did get 2 scents from Rebel. This first one is the Good Girl Supreme Parfum. This smells so good, so grown and sexy. So this is what I'm wearing on my birthday at night. My next one is the Marc Jacob Daisy. This is just very sweet, very floral. The Sephora savings event just happened, and I am a Rook member, y'all, so I had that 20% off and then 30% off Sephora stuff. So I did get a little happy up in there. I spent about $400 in total, but all worth it, all worth it. First thing that I got was this Sephora lip gloss. This is the Outrageous Intense Lip Plumper. When it say outrageous, definitely outrageous. I like it for a lip plumper. I usually reach for my Fenty, but this is just like a less expensive kind of version. Then I also got the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat. This is the one that I absolutely love, but they are always out of it. So this is it. And I got this one. Which one is this? I don't know if this is the right one or not. Yeah, I think I got the same one twice. Yeah, I did. I thought I was getting ice and I ended up getting heat, so I gotta take one of these back. What I went in there for real for was the fragrances. Like, I've been really big on getting my perfume collection back up. So my first stop in Sephora, I went and got the K. Ali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. This is their super mini one, like y'all know, the travel one. I also got the YSL Flowers and Flames fragrance. I went ahead and got it in the 1 ounce because I know I'm not going to reach for this often. This is very much a night out, very classy, grown sexy, kind of same as this one. I won't be wearing these often, but for special occasions, yeah. Did my second Sephora run, I went and got some more fragrance. So I got the Sweet Vanilla Montel Paris. This is their small one. This is the travel one that they have. I sprayed this on myself on Friday. I'm like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Like, it smells so good. And I have a thing where I like to smell like sweet, like candy, like edible. That's my thing. If you don't like that, you probably ain't gonna like none of the scents that I like, because I like to smell like a vanilla gumdrop. I like to smell like you could just bite me and have a sweet treat. That's the type of shit I be on. So I went and bought the big one. I went and bought the big one. Like, this smelled too good for me not to have a big one. Like, what? This gonna run out. I was actually gifted some stuff from MAC for TikTok shop review, and I think this is so cool. First, I got this lip pencil. This is in chestnut. Stuff is like super pigmented. I also got another lip pencil in cork. This is cork and this is chestnut. And then I got the MAC lip gloss. It's the non-sticky gloss in the color Behave 222. And I don't know if this like has color. Yeah, it does. Ooh, it's pretty though. That is super duper cute. Cushiony blush. This is in the color that's peachy. Very much peach, very much pretty. It's gonna be needed to be mixed in with something else so it looks right on my skin. And then last but not least, I got the matte lipstick in 605 Honey Love. So happy to have my first bullet, y'all. I literally always say that these look like bullets. This is my first MAC lipstick, and I'm so thankful and grateful. That's the lipstick right there. Very pink, very cute. I do think that this and this with the brown is gonna look so stinking cute. The lipstick, the lip gloss, and the lip pencil, so cute. Beautiful combination. I can't wait to try it. From Skims, I got the new Skims X Nike Duo. I got the dark sepia shorts. So I got this square neck tank, also in dark sepia, size medium, size small. Tank look like. Yep. Same logo in the back. And I think I really love this because it has this type of padding in it, y'all. Let's go for SHEIN, because that's just what I'm looking at. This their MUSERA collection. And honestly, I really like MUSERA on SHEIN. So I got these gray sweatpants. It does say something on it. MUSERA Sport probably. Yeah. It says MUSERA Sport. And it's just like a nice gray sweat. Also got some stuff from the MISSGUIDED on TikTok. The MISSGUIDED on SHEIN. And if y'all want any of this stuff, like SHEIN wise, I will put the search IDs in the description box, as well as my promo code, so y'all can get some money off if you want to. They got their new Playboy X MISSGUIDED sets, so I just got a few things from that. Playboy legging set. It's pink, y'all. Look at it, so cute. Y'all see that? They flares. Got the matching jacket to go with it, like this. Has like little strings at the bottom, so you can adjust this on your waist. And the back also says Playboy. The shorts with black and light pink detailing. They're mini shorts. And then I also got the top to go with it. So this is like a little workout set, and I plan to wear this to yoga while we out of town. I got some more accessories. So I got these bangles. They blue, pink, and just like cream color. These super girly, super pretty hairpins. Look at them, y'all. Oh, see them? Yeah, them super cute. What do y'all think? Oh, pink and blue with starfish on them. And then just bangle. They dangle. And then last but not least from SHEIN, I got this clutch. And this is added to my sparkly bag collection. Look how pretty she is. I actually got these off Depop. I just got these Giuseppe fishbone sandals, y'all. This is what they look like. But they super hard to get your hands on, so I'm super thankful, super grateful that I found them in my size. I don't know why they coming up a little bit gold. They silver. They silver, y'all. Last but not least, I got this Louis Vuitton Papillon 30. And I actually got this off Japanese eBay, y'all. I won a bid on this, y'all. I was literally in a bidding war with these little two girls. I don't know who you are, but listen. If I want it, I'm going to win it. So you should have never won against the queen. Cost $370 after tax and shipping. I won a bid for about $340, which I feel is a deal for the quality of this bag. Let's do the bag charms. I wanted to see how they would look. I'm doing something. I don't know what I'm doing, but something is getting done here. This is cute. This is cute. This is what we look like for the moment. I actually like it. Yeah, y'all, that's it for the little haul portion of this. Tomorrow you guys probably see me pack again. If not, the next time that y'all will see me is my first hair appointment.
New York City, you are now rocking with 50 Cent. You gotta love it. I just wanna chill and catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day after my hair appointment, my first hair appointment. I'm gonna go get my braids done in a little while. I got like an hour to my appointment.
Hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me?
We have started on my hair, and yeah, I'm just getting some knotless all around the perimeter. Y'all gonna see how I turn out.
Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sent this to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I'd be out killing, chillin' drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap,
It's 8:14. I went and got my hair done at 10 o'clock this morning. Whole day is just gone. And like, I'm not even trying to be negative, but I am very, very agitated. Like, I just spent my whole day getting my hair done, and I was trying to avoid that by also getting the sew in. But moral of the story, I really don't like my hair. I don't like the way it came out. Didn't end up getting my lashes done because my hair took all day, so no lashes for me for my birthday. But I don't know, y'all, my energy is just really, really low. I don't even know if this vlog is gonna make it, but I don't know. Like, I've been trying to be my most positive self. I've been trying to be just kind, calm, collective, but I am extremely agitated. It's been a very long week, and this is just not, it just hasn't been a good start to my birthday, I won't lie. Perfect. And it say happy birthday. Thank you. Hey y'all, so I am finishing up my packing right now. I'm just sorry I didn't come and chat it up with you guys after I didn't like my hair. Mom just fixed it so it's not humpy anymore. I'm just finishing up this packing, so I'm gonna put y'all down. I'll put y'all down here so you guys can kind of see. This is my carry-on bag, so I'm trying to pack it accordingly. And y'all seen that I had went to None But Cake and got me a 3-count for my birthday.
You can show the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days I'll feel great, it's okay. Here on my own, when I fall out. And on, there's another one waiting for you. And on, there's another one waiting. And on, there's another one waiting for you. And on, there's another one waiting.
Here's my lashes done.
It still won't go.
What? So y'all didn't pick up the camera yesterday after Naya finished my lashes, but she did me a short volume set. Very super cute, very cute. I absolutely loved them. We tried to do everything else under the book except do the lashes, but still ended up having to do the lashes. We actually on the way to the airport to go out of town right now. I know how choppy and weird this vlog was. I'm so sorry, but it was just a lot going on this week, and I still tried to get it going, get this vlog out for y'all. If you did stay all the way to the end, I hope you did enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you be notified every time that I post. And I'm gonna see y'all in my little travel vlog. I'll see y'all in Cancun.